Ladles and jelly spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Today, this is matte medium, and today we're going to use this to make some scenery glue. So, let's get on with it. Right, so now what we've got to do with this is put the lid on and just put it somewhere out of the way and leave it to settle for a few days. So, that's what we'll do next. And here is the finished article. It's not really much to look at. It's a pot of glue, but this will come very handy in some of the upcoming projects. So you will be seeing this again very soon. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers. Bye.